Hi friends, Honey Heart and Piccoletta here. Welcome to the Kindness Critters Lab, where today's forecast is looking a little, wiggly wobbly and very quacky. Yip yip! Let's check in with our weather expert, Mr.Puddles!
Quack, quack, quack! Hello, 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 my fine feathered friends. Oops, wind alert. I'm Mr. Puddles reporting live from the Kindness Critters Weather Lab, where feelings can get whoosh. Folks were experiencing a high silly pressure system blowing straight through Critterville. Symptoms may include nonstop giggles, wiggly wings, loud quacks, quack, 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 silly noises, funny faces, upside down thoughts, and the sudden need to dance. A very serious weather duck here. No, too silly. Now, listen close, Puddle Pals. Sillies are good for all of us. Laughing helps our brains, our bodies, and our hearts feel better. We just have to aim our sillies where they fit best. Some places are perfect for sillies, outside, playtime, or friends who want to laugh too. And some places need quiet sillies, like school, stores, or when someone nearby needs calm. When the sillies get too gusty, I use my silly to steady trick. First, shake those wings out. Now one big duck breath. And one teeny quiet breath. Still silly. Just easier to steer. And if the sillies are still popping, pop them into a joke jar to save for later. Safe, sound, and ready for playtime. And now for the temperature. Honk, quack, quack. Oh dear.
Let's try one calm breath together, Mr. Puddles.
Thank you, Weather Assistant Honey Heart. And just like that, the silly winds have softened. Sunshine stays. Stillness stays. We just found a place for it to land. This is Mr. Puddles reminding you, stay kind, stay quacky, and share your sillies where they sparkle best.
Sending you honey hugs and critter kisses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!